This video shows you what to do if Notepad is missing off your Windows 10 system. I know a lot of users found this disappeared on Windows 10 recently. If you're watching this as a short, tap the thumbnail in the bottom right hand corner to see the full video. If you're already watching the full video, hang tight, more details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So, as I say, Notepad has disappeared from your computer. When you click on the start button and type Notepad, it's just not there. Not there at all. All you get is search results for Notepad, which takes you into Bing and searches for Notepad. So you've got the option to obviously download Notepad++, which is pretty good. But if you want the original Notepad back, then this guide is going to show you how. So first of all, click on the Start button, then click on the Settings cog just over there on the left. Click on Apps, then click Optional Features just up there, just underneath Apps and Features. Then you want to click on the plus just to the left of Add a Feature. Now you can either scroll down to it or just click in that Find an Available Optional Feature and just start to type the word Notepad, and as you're typing it, it'll come up. So just click on the box just to the left of Notepad. You'll see it go blue and a white tick will appear in it. Then click on Install at the bottom of the screen. It should have a number 1 in brackets to the right of it. So now it's installing. This part might take a bit of time. Just be patient with it. We're waiting for that blue line to go all the way over to the right. And there you go. Once the blue line's made it all the way over to the right, it's now installed. So let's close this down. I'm just going to click on the cross in the top right hand corner and let's search for Notepad. So I'm just going to click on the Start button, type Notepad, and let's just see if it now appears. Now, at the moment, no, it still hasn't appeared on mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the computer. I'm going to click on the Start button, click on the power, and I'm going to click Restart, or in my case, Update and Restart, and we'll see if that reappears. Right, so the computer's just restarted, and it is important that you click Restart. Don't shut it down. So actually click on the power button and then click Restart. Don't click Shut down. Click on, like I say, Start, power button, power, and then restart. That is very, very important. So if you have just shut it down, do a restart. So let's just search and see if we can find it now. So click on here, the Start button, and type the word Notepad. And yep, there you go. Under Best Match, it's come up Notepad app. So left click that. And there you go, Notepad has opened. Now, what if you haven't got it in your Start menu? Then what you can do is you could try clicking on Start, scrolling down, go into Windows Accessories, the yellow Windows Accessories, click on that and see if you can see it in there. If you're not seeing it in there, then there's another place we can go to. So click on the Start button and then just type the word Run, okay? And then hopefully after a few seconds under Best Match, you should see Run App. Click on Run App, delete out whatever's in this box here, type in there %, WinDIR, %, / system32 / notepad.exe. So that's no spaces, all in lowercase. That's %, WinDIR, %, / system32 / notepad.exe. Then click OK. Hopefully Notepad should load, and then what we can do is we can pin it to the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. So click the right mouse button over the Notepad icon at the bottom of the screen with it open, and then click Pin to Taskbar. Then we can close Notepad down, and there you go, it still stays there in our taskbar. So what if we want Notepad back on the Start menu? Well, all we need to do is we can just move our mouse anywhere over the desktop, any clear space on the desktop, click the right mouse button, then go down to New, and then go across to Shortcut. And then what we need to do is we need to type in there %, WinDIR, / system32 / notepad .exe, and if that come up below it, you can just press the down arrow key on the keyboard or click on the little blue wording and then click next. And then when it asks for a name for this shortcut, you can just leave it as Notepad. If you want to capitalize the N in Notepad, you can do, and then click finish. So the next thing we need to do is we need to right click over the Notepad icon we just created, and then we need to left click cut. Then we need to click on the start button, go down to Windows Accessories, click on the little arrow pointing downwards there, and we want to right click on any one of these icons apart from character map. So I'm going to right click on Math Input Panel. Move your mouse over more and then go across to Open File Location and then left click once. Then anywhere in the blank area around here, click the right mouse button, click Paste, and then if it says you'll need to provide administrator permission to move this folder, click Continue. And there we go. Notepad should be back. We can click on the cross in the top right hand corner, then click on the Start button, and if we type in Notepad now, there we go. It should appear. If we want to take it off of the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, we can just right click and then left click Unpin from taskbar. So there you go. That guide gave you a few ways of getting Notepad back on Windows 10 if it's gone missing. I hope you liked this guide, and if you did, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos on my YouTube channel covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to amuse you, educate you, entertain you, and maybe even save you some time and money.